When you come to Italy, and especially Florence, stay away from these hustler liver salesmen on the streets here. Let's find out why.
So first, let's uncover the sneaky tricks these street sellers use and find out just how much this so-called leather is actually worth. Then we'll hear what an authentic Italian leather workshop has to say about these guys. And finally, stick around to the end because I'll show you how to spot and support real Italian craftsmanship, and their prices might surprise you.
Hey buddy, how are you?
How are you, sir? Fine.
Take a close look at the sign on those fake leather belts. It says 1 for 10 euros. Remember that, it's going to matter later when I start bargaining.
No, fake is this one. Understand? I show you. I show you. Look here. This one is for fake leather.
Yeah.
That's why this 10 is on.
This one's real.
This is for real leather. How to I show you? 1 second. Just I show you. You know, somebody for selling for.
These belts are supposed to be leather, but I wasn't convinced. Just getting up close, I could tell the buckles looked cheap, and honestly, it didn't feel or even smell like leather to me.
It's made in Italy. And look, if I fire this one, look.
Yeah, so it's genuine handmade leather.
It smell.
The belt says made in Italy, but let's be real, anyone can print that. It doesn't really prove a thing.
How much is this one then?
You like what color? Black or brown?
Yeah, black. This one. ये वाला.
ये वाला?
ये वाला. हाँ. आप हिंदी बोल सकते हैं?
है वो थोड़ी थोड़ी आता है. Where are you from actually?
हम हिंदुस्तान से हैं.
No, you know Hindustan. मैडम ने भी हिंदुस्तान.
नहीं, वो अंग्रेजी है यार.
अंग्रेजी. तुम?
दिल्ली.
दिल्ली. No, दिल्ली. दिल्ली भी होता. दिल्ली का फेस ऐसा नहीं होता.
ठीक है. मैं झूठ बोल रहा था. मैं बांग्लादेश से हूँ. हाँ, ढाका.
लेकिन बांग्ला आपको नहीं आता है. वही.
नहीं आता हूँ.
बांग्लादेश. Okay, I can.
यार कितने रुपए है ये?
This देखिए इसका price. This price is 69 है.
Oh, okay.
But you know, original leather. If already talking for me the is language for India. I do it for 25. And black or brown?
Next early, here you go.
Okay, listen to me. Listen.
मुझे जाना है.
Okay, listen to
शायद
me.
में वापस आएंगे.
आपके लिए मैं I can do it for you 15 only for you 15.
हाँ, अच्छा price है.
We come back. We care for a few days.
No, 15 for you.
We just got here, so I'll just have a look around and see. But very good price. Thank you. नाम क्या है आपका?
Rifat.
ठीक है. अल्लाह हाफिज़.
Okay, सुनिए. 1 second. आपके लिए 10 euro का 10 euro.
Yes. अभी नहीं.
10 euro.
अभी नहीं. Thank you, जी.
How does he drop the price from $69.99 to just 10 euros? That's the same price as the fake leather belts he's selling. So is it real leather or just a made in China imitation? We're going to visit a proper leather store later in this video, and a local woman is going to spill the beans on what's really going on. So stay tuned.
दीदी के पूछ लिया हिंदी बताएगा?
हाँ बिल्कुल. इधर आ. See? He's asking if you understand Hindi.
हिंदी समझती हूँ.
कैसा है आप?
ये हमारा परिवार है. वे पूरे बना रहे हैं. ये हमारा रसोईघर है. See?
दीदी हिंदुस्तानी है, आप हिंदुस्तानी नहीं है.
सही है.
दीदी हिंदुस्तानी है.
सही है. हाँ. Thank you, bro. See you later.
न्यूजीलैंड like cricketer.
Kane Williamson. Bye. Nice to meet you. आपसे मिलकर अच्छा लगा. Yo, what up, bro? You alright?
I'm good. How are you?
What's happening?
It's good.
You're working here?
Yeah, I'm working here.
Good, man. What are you doing?
You're like in Florence?
Yeah.
I've seen your videos
Yeah.
in Nepal, Bangladesh, India.
Yeah.
She must be your wife?
Yeah, that's Manisha.
I watch your other videos.
We're just hanging out, man. Not
enjoy.
doing too much here. We're going to the market, actually. It's in here, right?
Yeah, in second floor it's the food market. In
yeah.
lower floor it is the food market.
That's what we want.
Can we get a picture
Yeah,
together?
of course, man. Where are you from? India?
Bangladesh.
Bangladesh? Cool, man.
We get more tourists from India every day. So,
Yeah, true.
and I also speak Hindi very well.
That'll help you.
Yeah. So it's fine. I also like India.
Cool. There's so many Bangladesh people here. I
Yeah.
could not believe it when I came here.
It was a shock for me also. Because I'm in Florence, Italy. There should be other people of country, but Bangladesh, very lot of people from Bangladesh.
They've come for business, I think, Hannah.
Yeah. They do hustle everywhere they go. It's a good thing, I think.
Nice to meet you, bro.
Nice to meet you too.
The leather being sold on the streets here is exactly the same as the fake pashminas or cashmere shawls being sold in Delhi. Exactly the same thing. Now, if you want to buy really cheap stuff here, really cheap and fake leather, you can come to a market like this. I'll put the link in the description and you'll get the same stuff for way cheaper than on the streets in the center of Florence. And the belts here, same ones. They're all €5 each. And even in Italy, you can get fake copies of Italian brands. Hannah, look at that. €15 each.
It's got a lock too.
Now let's go check out a more luxury workshop and a school, and let's find out why the hell are these dudes able to sell fake leather all over the street, or very low quality leather all over the street.
And after this place, I'll take you to a lone craftsman's workshop where you'll find better prices, fast turnarounds, unlimited customization. You're not going to want to miss it.
This leather school, my camera can't even capture how big this church is. It's on the back side of this church. It's ginormous. There's no way to capture this with my camera, and it's a wide angle lens. Look at that, they got a little farm, how cute. Look at this, you can come here and they'll make the bag for you and you can choose the color that you want. Look at all the different designs they have. It's just amazing. This is where you want to come. And you can even see the craftsmen at work here. Look at that. The craftsman's table are right here. And you can shop tax-free here as well if you're flying out of Europe. Have you seen all those sellers out on the street selling stuff?
You want to know if it's real leather?
It's not, right? It's synthetic.
No, there is a problem. By law, they are. Because our law is very large. And they, inside, you can put a lot of chemical products. And it's not a very little percentage of leather.
I understand.
And you can call leather.
Yeah,
So
I see.
they are not out of law.
There's so many of them though. I don't know why they're allowed to operate in the city when...
There is a problem. Sorry.
Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, I'm just surprised they allow them to operate because it's like people are getting fooled and it hurts Florence's reputation.
Yeah, it is the government that years ago decided to open the market to everybody. And so you never know from which country is coming the material.
Yeah.
Who is that make that? But you know, usually the low price is more interesting than the quality.
Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah, you come here and you can see the quality straight away, the difference.
You can feel it.
Yeah.
I hope so.
It's really obvious.
There is a difference.
Yeah, totally.
To our students, we always give a piece of that kind of leather that is lambskin in one hand, and we send that to the market. They have to feel the difference touching both good quality leather in one hand.
Yeah, it's easy. It's easy. So there's different types of leather workshops. You can go to like a soul leather workshop. It's just one guy in there creating leather goods. And this stuff is half the price of those more expensive and you can say more luxury leather workshops that you'll find here in Florence. Hi, how are you?
No, bad buddy.
She's my wife, she's from India.
She don't look like Indian, but
Yeah, I know.
So you got an Indian accent when talking English?
Yes, I have an Indian accent.
I don't think
It is. This is what. Yeah, it's
I don't think so.
the ones you hear overseas are more stereotypical. This is the normal Indian
This
accent.
is it. That's coming out. Indian accent. Okay.
What do you do here?
I do everything except the gloves and the shoes.
Okay.
This one here, 2 hours before you coming, I was making this one here.
Okay,
This is
lovely.
this.
Wow, looks brand new.
This is this one here. I'm cutting different bright before,
Yeah.
and let's finish the one here. I make it longer for every kind of belly. You think the one here is long, but
Yeah.
it's coming here.
Cool.
Huge bellies.
And how much do you sell your belts for?
Depends the size, depends how wide they are.
Okay.
So like this one here is the black is like this kind here before that one here. Just cut it out. It's just is that 3.5 centimeter like this one here?
Yeah.
Costs 27. This one here, 3 centimeter, costs 22. Sometimes I have a double.
Got it.
Just 3 times leather, also in between here, leather, and it costs 30 euro. This is the classic one.
Yeah, very good.
Yeah.
I feel this is much softer than the other stuff.
Yeah.
This is deer leather, and I make some of those here. Deer outside, calf inside.
It's very
the deer's
interesting.
coming from New Zealand anyway.
Yeah.
This one here, because of
Yeah.
I was working for Gucci, and then mostly the first quality of deer leather coming from New Zealand.
Oh, really? That's where I'm
First
from.
So you just
It'll be
speak Hindu,
half,
my friend.
Yeah.
Yes.
Hindi. Yeah, Hindi.
Hindi.
हाँ मैं हिंदी बोल सकता हूँ जी बिल्कुल.
Wait a minute. You got too far.
Yeah, I can speak. Namaste.
Yeah, go ahead, go ahead. Yeah, but not with me.
I live there, so you have to speak actually.
Well, I
You
mean,
have to.
We found a workshop here, where you can see there's a whole setup where they actually make it, and this is real leather. It's double leather on both sides, and this is for 28 euros, which is a deal. Like considering we've gone around a few places and looked at some shops, and this one, if you can come closer, you can actually see there's a white ivory thing in the middle and there's a gray border outside, so there's like nice detailing on it as well. And I don't really like silver buckle, so he's going to customize it for me and give me a golden instead, which is great.
So this is the top piece, and this is the
both the top piece, but here this is vegetal tani, which is this one here.
yeah.
This one here, this is this part.
Got it.
You see that? But this very important thing is the thickness here is 2.3. This is 1.3, 1.4. Make all together. It's like belt. I'm here 3.8. I'm here, which is the guarantee.
Buckle I love.
Come on.
Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
this it is on here. I reduce it for 2 cents more.
What was your name?
My name is Dimitri.
Dimitri?
Yeah.
Cool, nice to meet you,
Pleasure.
Dimitri. Thank you.
What's your name?
Karl.
Karl.
Gee.
Yeah. And you?
Manisha,
Pleasure.
thank you so much.
Thank you guys.
Thanks, Dimitri.
Have a
Bye.
nice day.
So how was that? What did you get? Show us.
I got a lovely belt, and he changed the buckle for me, adjusted the size for me, and he did a lot of hard work, so I told him
Yeah.
not to worry about the change, but he insisted, and he gave me the change back. He would not keep it.
Yeah, Dimitri wouldn't take a tip. I'm gonna put his shop in the description as well. And that was cheap. In a luxury workshop, you're gonna see these for 60. She got it for 28 in a solo workman's shop. Imagine if all the people shopping here went to Dimitri's store and were buying real leather from a craftsman. Yeah, imagine. That's the effect that these shops have on real craftsmen. And the difference is, you can buy that $10 fake leather belt anywhere in the world, but I've got a slightly more expensive but way better quality made in Italy, made in Florence belt, and that's a memory, and this is gonna last me. You're taking away a piece of Florence.